Hi guys, welcome back to Wrenie Bird channel. This is me, Wrenie Bird here with little Jamie Whitney. He's so cute. I mean, he's getting really heavy. So, Mama Bird, can you pick Jamie up? The fans want to see him.
Oh boy! Oh boy!
Jamie.
Super cute.
I know, right? Okay, guys. So, I'll be teaching you today how to make some like Halloween decorations. I mean, I know lots of people don't have a bunch of Halloween decorations. I mean, here, I'll show you around my house. This is one of the decorations. It's a bat. Yeah. Over here, Jamie's probably gonna be afraid of it. Jameson. Hashtag JDog. This guy. We got this crow. There. We got this. I don't know if you saw it, I'm just guessing. We got these guys. They're super creepy. That's a rat. That's a rat. And that's a rat. And we also have these candles. We have this man. He's screaming because the dog is chasing after the cat, as you can see. And we also have this candle right here, just because. Just because. And yeah, we have this owl right there. We have this cauldron that we put our candy in every year. We have this bat. It's kind of dark in here, but that I made when I was very young. Very young. I must say that. That's Juliet and Nomeo. They're best friends. They're falling in love. And I think that's about all. Oh, right. The two favorite parts. This guy. And Jameson, my dog, hashtag JDog, is like so afraid of this. He literally will like get so scared. I don't understand. Excuse me, Mike. It's pretty dark out here, but Mike, could you please take me really quick? Sure. So it's screened this way. So if you click this button.
Welcome. Don't be afraid.
And there's this part. We call her Linda. She's a witch, but she's a good witch. And that cauldron, that's her cauldron. If you don't know what a cauldron is, it's something witches make potions in. Now, this video is getting a little too long and I haven't even showed you what this is really about. So let's get started. I made this already. It's pretty cool. I really like it. It's like the best thing I've ever made. So first you take a little plastic baggie and you decorate it with something Halloweenish or whatever holiday it is. You make a little hole in the plastic baggie then, and you could draw a circle around it just so you don't forget where it is. Then you could cut up a little necklace that's like one of these. And then, you know what, I'm just going to take these parts off. I don't really like them anyways. So then, okay, I'll take this undone because you can undo it easily. Easily. There. So you just take the two beads, put them together like this, and push. And then it makes a little lock. And then you fill candy in it and you can hang it anywhere you want. And whenever somebody walks past it, they can get candy. My other fun idea is just take a little Play-Doh container with Play-Doh in it. It's just fun. It's just fun. I'm not going to do it, but you just take a little Play-Doh container, draw with a Sharpie on it, something Halloweenish, and then give it to someone. It's fun. Next is, okay, let's see. I'm gonna pause it and go get something. Okay guys, so you get this. Take your scissors, but be careful. If you're a younger one, probably younger than 4, I would say get your parents' help with this. You're gonna cut it in half, and it doesn't really matter if they're like this. It doesn't matter. It does matter. But if it's like this, just pick up the longer one and cut it down the middle. Then, if this is gonna be like a decoration, take some candies that your friend likes, or lots of people that you know, and then when you're done with this, I'm gonna pause it and go get some candies and finish cutting little slots in this, but make sure they're up straight, like maybe 3. Okay guys, so I have Mama Bird helping me. We're picking out all different kinds of candy. Putting them through the 3 little holes on our little cardboard. And then, if it's like a lollipop or something, and you need to make a hole in the bottom too, and it won't stand up straight because it's going to be attached like that, then don't even bother putting a hole through it. You can mark it with a Sharpie. Mama Bird's probably going to do that with the lollipop we have. Right, Mama Bird? Mm-hmm. She's helping me out because I need help, because getting everything ready. And also, if you think it'll look cooler, you can draw like some Halloween things on the cardboard. That's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna draw a little ghost. Now, I'm not great at drawing. I mean, I'm actually pretty bad at drawing ghosts. And if you're thinking right now, why on earth would she be bad at drawing ghosts? You're kind of wrong. I mean, I guess I'm kind of good at it, but I'm not that excellent. Like my arms always get all crooked.
I don't know. I don't know Wrenie Bird. That looks silly. Mommy did it silly.
There's my ghost. He looks really bad, as I assumed. He is talking to some friends. Gonna draw a little witch. I'll ask Mike if he can help. Mike, can you help? Okay, so Mike's gonna try fixing what Mama Bird did in a few seconds. Okay, so you can use different colored Sharpies. It's just green and red is all I have. I mean, green and black is all I have right now. And for eyes, sometimes I just hold the marker still for a while. And for noses, I just lift up really quick. What's that smell? Oh!
Rosemary potatoes.
Ew. If you guys like rosemary potatoes, comment down below. I'm very picky, so I don't like anything, basically. We're drawing a witch with a broom in her hand. Also, if you're picky too, after what you wrote, write hashtag I'm picky too, and write 2 foods that you don't like and that you do like. Ha, what? Ha ha ha, yay. I'm doing it to myself. My back itches. So, ooh, should I draw a bat? I think I am. Mike, you ready to help out with my channel? Do bats have ears, Mama Bird?
Teeny tiny little ears.
Okay, these ears are terrible. They're actually kind of big. Oh my gosh, my bat looks bad. Now, I mean, yeah, I'm setting this up, but I know people are going to be like, who made that? But if they do, Mama Bird's going to give them a big lesson not to ever do that to me ever again. That'll show them. Okay, now I'm going to fix what Mama Bird did. Okay. Mama Bird, this is pretty good. Good job. I like it. Okay. Yeah, no. We made a hole, but perfect. See? We got our candy. Okay. I'm going to take a green Sharpie just to change up the color a little. Mike is behind there talking to the dog. You can see his legs and the dog's tush. Okay, so I drawed my little mark. Where'd my scissors go? Here, there. He's also calling Jameson a dirty old dog. Poor Jameson.
You don't want these rosemary potatoes and broccoli in there?
Yeah. I tell you when I talked about how you never cooked it all.
She's right, this is hard. But I'm gonna do it because I have faith in myself. Drop some things, but I'm back. Wait, was that funny? Whoop! Whoop! I kind of think that was funny, but I know it wasn't, so. Yeah, but if you think it's funny, then good for you, because you're like me. I think everything's funny all the time.
Look, Dave, Jamie's hair's so nappy.
There.
Oh, he just took it out.
So, put this right here. Okay, measure it. Okay, so I just drawed a mark where I want it to start. Mama Bird, I need your help. Could you hold this right here? Thank you. Thanks. You can drop it now. Okay.
Do you want to pause it while you cut? Because this video is getting long.
Yeah. So this was kind of a fail because, as you can see, it doesn't touch the ground, so it makes it a little clockwise. But I'm going to see if I can use something to set it up, and yeah. And I accidentally put it upside down, but who cares? So I can just go like this, and go like this, and go like this, and go like this. And bam, you can't even see it. Now use a pencil to put it through, but be careful because I hurt myself when I was doing it. See? So, bye. My mom's phone is so hard to cooperate with. Mama Bird, help me cooperate with your phone.